Big stinking MC Sucky. You come and make Al Cartel look like a clown. Cause you come out and say, Alkaline, I mash up music and keep show for himself and rate. So Cartel not do the same blood clot thing. If I saw be the case, why Cartel not go do sting then? How Cartel not do no sting? How him not do no show at Jamaica? No him won't show him kid. So if Alkaline I mash up the business, Cartel I mash it up too. But you can't say that. Can you get kick in your mouth or dick in your mouth? You can't say that.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How are the latest news them love?
Sucky. You can't chat to me, boy. Boy like you a name fuck all long. Boy like you a drink piss all long. His Cartel toilet broke down right now. And he want some of your shit you open your mouth right away. To all your love man, batty boy. You can't chat to me? Me a gangster from my toenail to me ear root. You ever hear enough friend of my power with style me? You ever hear a killer or mother or busy and none of them box me down? We are friends. We have argument and cut off each other. You never hear no man box me down. Cartel box you down flat ground in front of everybody. And you still have to come back a dick right Cartel. Remember say before Cartel come out of jail, hungry I kill you. I eat front to live in America. Oh, you have to chat to me. Before Cartel come from jail, I walk, I eat front all about a foreign. The last place they name down the place a Connecticut. The last place they name down Baker is a Connecticut. Oh, you have to talk to me. Me living on my own domain all the time. All of me just there foreign and a rent room inside our house and me alone live. Till me have my own place, I 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 have my own place. Boy, like you know, have to itch up on that girl. Else you can't live. Hungry that kill you. Who the blood clot you come get bright with? Rape a boy. Big fool boy. You are known grapist. Known grapist at Portmore. Everybody know you're a grapist. You grape Patsy Lee daughter when she 11 years old. You're a pedophile. I don't know you want a pedophile. I don't know you want in your crew a pedophile. I told them to call me name yet, me not turn over for them basket. Who you ramp with? Who on your size, big idiot boy? You walk on them down the whole place. We don't not talk about what you do at Jamaica. We just talk about since you're America. Your tongue left from crazy girl clip boy. Your teeth mark left from girl blood clot pussy jar. Oh, you have to talk to me? Girl who left me, she not go about her business. Girl have to cut and left me with my reputation. No girl not go with my reputation. You idiot. You not a reputation, youth. But you come talk about girl, sex funny, man. She can't do anything she want to do. My son at 19, I got 20. And me and I left when him at 7, 8 years old. So you can allow a shoe not kill, you don't think of me not kill? Every time when I mix up her name with the next man. I know me, una mash up a shoe, una mash up. And so I tell the people them why you never MC the show them at England. And the show at Canada after that you get to MC. And Ricky Platinum take your work. Or you not cause Ricky Platinum. And you not cause Shani B. And me you want in an argument. You see me I try take your work? You see me business with you? You think me respond to your boy? You know see me no mix nor mingle. You know see that? You know see me stay in my catalog. And hold me lane. All the time this little suck front, suck cocky boy. Me don't know how woman really There with you. Cause my woman love how me mad over she. You not mad over your wife? I can't tell you I'm mad over. So how she there with you and feel good? No, talk the God truth now. Oh, your woman there with you while you're mad over the next man. Oh. Oh, your woman there with you while you're mad over the next man. She interested in you, but you interested in a cartel. You and the next little cokehead one and the one with the Walmart car make cartel look like a batty man. The way you want to go on, it make it look like cartel a fuck on in on the batty hole. Big man thing. You know who me rate on cartel? Me talk to them. I never talk this yet. But me talk who me rate on cartel. Me rate cartel 2 son them. You know why me rate cartel 2 son them? Them mother grow them good. Are 2 manageable youth and them humble. And the amount of drama where them father in them don't get involved in it. Them hold them own and them hold a calmness and them relax. Then, me rate them 2 youth around cartel. Me rate Lenny Matic. Lenny Matic and cartel go everywhere and par all the time. And Lenny Matic don't enough of himself and don't get in a cartel business. Even if he do, you don't know. I'm a rate TJ. TJ are the closest thing to cartel. Financially, and him and go cartel money and in business. And TJ don't get involved. And TJ don't get up chase nobody for cartel. See? Yo, MC Sucky, the cokehead one, and the one that drive the little dirty Walmart Charlie, act like say a cartel would brush on the teeth. Una act like una a cartel condom where every time cartel on him draft una shove him hood in a una. What kind of man una be? None of una woman them not like una, you know? At that, Eckland, Jekyll, Ansel and Gretel from the fix to ask you. And then to ask you what make you stuck at Jamaica. You don't go England and go a small island, but you not come back in America. At that then to ask you, you know. Then to do them homework. And then to ask you why cartel this year at England or there. A Ricky Platinum take a job. Why you not gonna talk about Ricky Platinum? Because you can't talk about Ricky Platinum. Because if you talk about Ricky Platinum, cartel are gonna run you for good. So you have to kiss ass and you have to act like you love cartel or you not like him. Because cartel box you down before he got prison. And him come out and him still this year. And you have to itch up because you have no other source of income. You think no good. The way this thing. Me not think Freedom Street that gonna keep this year again, man. So you couldn't no business with Sting. Oh, you jump in a Sting business. And any artist a clash no Gaza artist from nowhere. Anywhere in the world. Them nothing make you MC the show if them nothing do it. Because you're already biased. You already have to kiss ass and a dick ride anything with say Gaza. So you can't give a fair judgment. And the same thing you do when Mavado and Cartel a clash. MC Sucky, same thing you do. When Mavado they even reach backstage, you call out the man like him and enter the stage. Water down the man entry forward and it still never rare. Big suckud name shit. Batty boy MC Sucky. He and the boy such man are the first 2 man me see. I beg a man to fuck them. The way you operate like you're dying to cartel, hold you and squeeze your throat and shove him tongue in your mouth. You're a batty man. And that's how such man act like him want Andrew only scare him, go throw him off in a pool and dick him. You know some dick rider man. Now some batty boy. Big stinking MC Sucky. You come and make all cartel look like a clown. Because you come out and say, Alkaline and mash up music and keep show for himself and rate. So Cartel not do the same blood clot thing. If I so be the case, why Cartel not go do sting then? How Cartel not do no sting? How him not do no show at Jamaica? No, he won't show him keep. So if Alkaline and mash up the business, Cartel and mash it up too. But you can't say that. Can you get kick in your mouth or dick in your mouth? You can't say that. Come and chat like you don't know nothing about music or don't care about music. Go suck your mother MC sucky. If Alkaline do that, who him learn it from? Who him learn it from? When Sting did a kid, no Cartel go keep show up at New Kingston and say nah do no Sting. So yeah, try chastise Alkaline and your blood clot boss do the same thing. Pussy hole. Big suck pussy boy. And me Alkaline and a friend neither, but the truth are just the truth. You can point your finger up and nobody say them a try mash up music. When your team do the same thing. Big batty boy. No woman can't happy there with boy like Uno. No woman can't happy there with boy like Uno. A woman pussy supposed to dry up when she see her man I go crazy for her next man. When she see her man after call her next man, oh my daddy used to do my nails. Oh, look how my daddy make me do my nails. So for 13 years, Cartel lock up you couldn't do your nails. For 13 years, Cartel lock up, you couldn't do your nails. And you know things say you sound like and look like a batty boy. If you say that. You that on social, oh God, look, my boss, my daddy said me come do my nails. So you couldn't get your nails do. Or your hand do, and hand shall or a foot shall. See all the people in my comment, your mouth look stink. When you go look for Nuffy video them before Cartel come home. And look for Nuffy video them now, since Cartel come home. And look how his mouth operate. And him not have diabetes, him not have cancer, him not get no stroke. Just go take a old video with MC Sucky and take a new video with MC Sucky and put the two of them together in one collage and look how his mouth a move. And see it now and difference to the mouth now than how his mouth did stay before. How would this a call me in a group call? Me not take no blood clot call now, you know. Zin? Go look for MC Sucky mouth, how it operate before. Zin? And how it mouth operate now. Put it in one collage and put the two videos them beside one another. And see say something damage him mouth. And him not a stroke. And I like me, we get Bell's palsy because of my diabetes and them look at something there. Go and look. Something mash up MC Sucky mouth. And remember say, a long time I suck pussy before him boss come home. Zin? So, me not think a pussy mash up in mouth. Zin? That look like a one dildo or one hood or something else damage in mouth. A diabetes twist my face. Bell's palsy twist my face. Me have illness. See it here? You know how this name? Insulin. See nigga here? Me diabetic. A different thing I go out in. This boy here, when name down the whole of foreign, them when I name from Florida to Connecticut to Philadelphia to New York City. You can chat to me, idiot boy. How would in a whole girl get and gone about them business? You used to have to eat front to get place to stay. You can't talk to me. Me pay my own rent and live in my own place. You idiot. You clown. You can talk to me about girl thing. All of my baby mother them. I want to run in pan. If you try to find something about me and if you try this me, I want to turn up empty. I want to turn up empty. So I want to still do. I want to try. Boy like you, your teeth mark left and crazy girl pussy in America. You can talk to me? Me never hear see them. Me never hear see them come out and say, oh my God, cartel paid to do my nails. But you, MC Sucky, come out. Oh, look how my daddy pays for. Oh, daddy, look how my boss pays for do my nails. Your wife, Aunt Grinch, when she see it. Actually, you don't know what she a chat you saying, an idiot boy. The woman sorry says she blood clot married you. Because she realized that she married a batty man. She realized that she married one big batty boy. That she realized. Kitty Pa, you ever hear we are run up and away about man pay for the nails? You mad? You're crazy. Oh, look at my boss. The boss said me to come fix up myself. The general said me to come fix. General pay for the nails. Oh, see my foot here? Batty boy. Batty boy. Shit in a plate on me. Remember say, uno a shit in a plate before shit in a plate exists. Them time the TikTok no dead boy ya. Bright boy, you can't chat to me. Fool boy. Remember say years me no want this in the youth. Come here have some bridging when know you and them know me and rate me and them always say, trying to pay him no mind, you know. I saw him talk. Remember him mouth him use have sex, you know. You see me? Yeah. The man them tell me all the while. So remember say I'm out him have sex with you know. Just love him, man. It's hard for him out stay like, you understand? You understand me I say? Them say remember say him can't keep him out like man. I eat him eat front for have place to stay in a foreign. Without him and eat him woman him can't in and away for live, you know. You see me? Yeah. So not talk to me, my youth. When you go do your interview them and people ask you about me, man, just tell them, say, you don't want to talk about me, because you can't turn on your life now and tell me, say, a lie me I tell, say, you molest Patsy Lee, 11-year-old daughter, over Cumberland. Just turn on your life and say, Foota, I've a liar. And a lie me I tell. And make her go at it, make her solve the case for the internet. Since you want an internet cloud. So, me will give you an internet cloud. Me will give you, you know. Cumberland, Portmore, Patsy Lee, our daughter, a big woman now, you know. Yeah, man, and them attack them 80, you know. Them not like you, you know. The girls still remember what you do to her, you know. From she a level, you a pedophile in a boy. Remember that good in a boy. Yeah, man. You want him make a post and say a lie me I tell. Just make a post. Or turn on your life and say me a liar. And see. Anyway, I could get to the review now, my people, because I don't know how some man we're in a, what do you call it, porn club. Because some man them crew for change, you know. Them crew name for change. A porn club them for name. Me a boy when me slate clean, me can walk with my head and my chest high. Anywhere. America, England, Jamaica, Africa, anywhere. And when me used to be a big old gallist, them not have more gal than me. Can me have my gal them and me still fuck for them gal them. So no boy can't chat to me. No boy can't use no gal style me. No gal not no secret for me. None. None at all. And then boy you walk and name down the place I come chat to bad man. I want to know. Big shit house MC Sucky. I want to suck your mother. So here I go now. We'll review the massacre song here and give me honest opinion on it. Me have to just deal with the boy MC Sucky and Hansel and Gretel, Ekel and Jekyll. The two clown them where who was the fix. That's why I mean I like them. And them can't interview me. Them not do them homework. Them don't know what them are asked about. Them don't know where I go on the street. Because instead of them ask about me, them ask MC Sucky say, why you can't go into America right now? Me will buy MC Sucky a plane ticket, think come America tomorrow morning. Me will spend my money and buy it. He can't come in America right now. I don't know about future references, but right now he can't come in America. And him are going like a vacation, him depend on Jamaica. And a vacation him depend. And cartel this in my England. At that, Hansel and Gretel should have asked him, why your boss this year England? And run here if I show them. You can't call him out. That is the blood clot talk about. I'll show Canada after you could have got. And when teacher come down now and give a care package, you run gone. Like the man call you. The man not calling away. See man they want to do the video with you. Yeah. General, my teacher, my honey bun, my spice bun, my sugar cake, oh God, my tutti frutti. And the man never look for you. Because you want people believe say you're him good. Because without cartel you can't survive. Me no need nobody to survive. Me need me and God. Anybody style me can cut them off. Me have my own brand. Me name Foota Music. Me get my own bookings. Me play my own music. Me do my own thing. I want to hear. My friend, them are the biggest thing them in the music, and me and them mash up. And you know, so me still do my thing by myself. I want to hear. You have to kiss ass and ride dick and be a dog and fuck cow and fuck goat. Batty boy. West Bank MC Sucky me attack. Bumbuckler. Suck your mother. Anyway, me I do this review here now.